Hello, my best friend, how are you today? I hope everything is good with you and your family. I will tell you today about the 4 best ways to passive income investments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and please like it, and please write down your mind. Thank you so much for this. The 4 best ways to passive income investments. The term passive income in finance refers to money from a one-time investment that continues to produce income streams without needing the investor to actively manage or monitor their holdings. Like active revenue through labor, passive income. Apart from the difference in tax categorization, many people want passive income to increase cash flow, and the word has become more commonly used to refer to low-effort side jobs or working from home, even though they may be taxed as active income. One option to make passive income is to join a partnership as a limited partner. Ordinary people might, however, look for additional opportunities to put their money to work for them. The passive investment ideas listed below merit further examination. Money generated through very little active labor is known as passive income. Real estate held as rental property, dividend stocks or funds, and limited partnerships are a few investments that produce passive income. The process of passive stock investing, often known as indexing, is copying a wide market index. Some people might also view side hustles or jobs that they can do from home as a source of passive income. 1. Property. Real estate continues to be a top choice for investors hoping to make long-term profits, despite volatility recently. Particularly, rental properties can provide apartment owners with a consistent stream of income. A 20% down payment can readily be used to purchase a home, which the investor can then rent out to dependable tenants who continue to generate income. Real estate investment trusts are an adequate option for people who don't want to manage rental properties. 90% of real estate investment trusts' taxable income is distributed to investors in the form of dividends. The tax treatment of dividends as ordinary income presents a drawback for investors in higher tax bands. Crowdfunding for real estate offers a compromise. Both commercial and residential buildings provide investors the option of making loan or equity investments. Crowdfunding, as opposed to real estate investment trusts, enables investors to take advantage of the tax benefits of direct ownership, including the depreciation deduction, without the additional burdens of property ownership. 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Even though the peer-to-peer lending, peer-to-peer, sector is less than 10 years old, it has experienced rapid expansion. It is described as the act of giving a direct loan of money to a person or a company, usually through online marketplaces like Prosper and Lending Club. After funding the loan initially, the investor needs to do relatively little further to earn returns that typically range from 7% to 12%. Compared to other investment categories, peer-to-peer programs typically have lower entry requirements. For instance, investors can contribute as little as $25 to the funding of loans. 3. Stock dividends. One of the simplest ways for investors to generate passive income is through dividend stocks. A portion of the profits that public corporations make is diverted and given back to investors in the form of dividends. Investors have the option of keeping their cash or investing it in more shares. Dividend yields can differ dramatically among businesses and might change from year to year. Investors who are unsure of which dividend-paying companies to select should stay with those that fall under the category of dividend aristocrats, which indicates the company has a track record of paying out sizable dividends for at least 25 years. 4. Index funds. Mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that are tied to a certain market index are called index funds. These passively managed funds seek to replicate the performance of the underlying index they track. Hence, unless the index's makeup changes, their underlying securities remain the same. This correlates to lower management fees and turnover rates for investors, making them more tax-efficient investment vehicles than many other kinds of investments. What to consider while selecting a passive income investment? Earnings from a rental property, a limited partnership, or another business in which a person is not actively engaged are considered passive income. This suggests that these investments sometimes have a set-it-and-forget-it approach. Many passive investments, however, nevertheless need some level of active management or care. Consider the real estate market. An investment property needs to be maintained, and problems with tenants need to be resolved. Also, landlords frequently have to keep their insurance policies current and meet safety and other requirements. The relative portfolio weights must be modified and rebalanced over time as different stocks rise and fall within an index, so passive index investing also requires some care. Investors must choose when to rebalance and how frequently. What investment produces the highest paying passive income? Depending on a variety of factors, the greatest passive investment will change over time and from year to year. In the past, dividend-paying equities and real estate, whether directly owned or indirectly through real estate investment trusts, or real estate investment trusts, have typically outperformed other asset classes. Are investments with passive income a good idea? Generally speaking, investing in passive income streams enables you to use money to earn money by putting it to work for you rather than for yourself. They are frequently wise decisions in that regard. Be wary of get-rich-quick advertisements or sales presentations that appear too good to be true, such as those for multi-level marketing, MLM, and other work-from-home opportunities. You'll wind up paying for some of these. How can you start investing in passive income? If you have money to invest, you should buy the right passive asset, such as an index ETF or a real estate investment trusts, so it can start earning you money. To do business and hold your investments in such a scenario, you might need to open a brokerage account. The conclusion? An investor's life can be significantly simplified by passive income investments. The four options above each have a different level of risk and diversity. As with any investment, it's crucial to balance prospective losses against expected returns from passive income sources. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with our new content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. We appreciate your support and look forward to creating more content for you. Until next time, goodbye.